everyone, it's Stephanie here with the brand new review for the My Favorite Things March Card Kit Stylish Bouquet. Flowers are always a good idea. Paper bouquets last a long time, so the products included in this kit will become an instant classic in your stash. Lots of layers of flowers, stems, foliage, and berries will result in lush bouquets for your cards and tags. Many of the elements featured in the flower bouquet die set include cut line detailing, providing more dimension. This set can be paired with the Flower Bouquet Builder Stencil to add realistic shading. Flower centers, petal shadows, and leaf veining options are just the ticket for breathing life into your posies. This beautiful assortment of sentiments covers a wide range of occasions, making it an essential component of a well-rounded card-making stash. Pretty swoops and flourishes accent the greetings, providing a bit of interest to the clean line font. You'll love choosing just the right words to recognize those that you like and love from this comprehensive set. This stencil features a multitude of flower pieces and parts. Petals, flower centers, leaves, and shading options are all included in this versatile design, so you can mix and match your blending to grow a unique bouquet for each new project. Step up your bouquets by using this stencil in conjunction with the Flower Bouquet Dynamics set for easy dimension, depth, and realism. Use the colorful canvas paper pad to add stunning faux texture to your projects in an array of vibrant hues. This canvas replica is perfect for adding subtle interest and warmth to card bases or for recreating the look and feel of nubbly fabric for your die-cut elements. This kit also includes 15 sheets of cardstock that coordinate perfectly with the color canvas paper pad to create beautiful, colorful bouquets. Send congratulatory wishes for a job well done with the pretty new Stylish Congrats die, the newest free with 60 option releasing with this month's kit. A single swooping flourish atop the T, accents, and otherwise clean and simple word for an eye-catching design. We also have a selection of dies available for separate purchase that coordinate perfectly with this month's kit, including the new Stylish Thank You and Stylish Happy Birthday Dynamics. And last but not least, also available for separate purchase is the Bouquet Wrap Dynamics. You'll wonder how you ever lived without this simple design in your card making stash. One cut, two folds, and you have the perfect little covering to contain your die-cut floral stem. So let's take one more quick look at everything that comes in the Stylish Bouquet Card Kit. You have the colorful canvas 6x6 paper pad, the Flower Bouquet Builder Stencil, which can be used on its own or paired with this gorgeous Dynamics die set called Flower Bouquet. We also have the Stylish Sentiment Stamp Set that features a variety of sentiments that can be used on a multitude of different card designs. And then of course we have our newest free with 60 option, the Stylish Congrats. And as add-on purchases, if you would like to add to your card kit stash, we have the Stylish Happy Birthday Dynamics, the Stylish Thank You Dynamics, which all coordinate perfectly with the stamp set. And lastly, we have the Bouquet Wrap Dynamics, which is a fantastic little die to create little bouquets for all of your card fronts and projects. Thank you for joining me for this quick look at all of the new products releasing on March 22nd at 10 a.m. Eastern at My Favorite Things. We hope you enjoy all of the new products and can't wait to see what you create. Please tag your projects with MFT stamps so we can see what you're creating on social media. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.